which I know you guys love this.
Alright guys, as you can see, the shelf is awesome. So we still got to clear room to make room for more shelves, but I love it. Holds many different size items. It's great.
Well, hello my little chicken nuggets. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this riser stand. So let's get right to it, my friends. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you're having a good day. Woo! Came nice and packaged. That's good. Oh, this is actually kind of interesting. These riser stands. So I've reviewed a couple in the past, and they definitely were different than this. And how so is because, as you see, you have the legs already complete. A lot of them have just the flat pieces, which are here, but they don't have the actual stair legs going up. You have to like piece each one with a little stake. So this actually could be a much better design than the ones that I've reviewed in the past. I tell you what, that's good because the other ones were kind of annoying to put together. If I'm being honest with y'all. So we're just taking off these rubber bands that they have around here. Once we do that, see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. They actually provide you with a screwdriver. That's the first time a company has done that. You have the little screws. You have your installation guide. We're gonna skim over this installation guide, which looks to be very simple, just a page. Very simple, very basic setup. I mean, I might have to get more of these. I mean, because, so these are the boards. They feel almost like wood plastic in a way. Nice long boards. So what you would do is you peel this tape off, which I know you guys love this. Yeah, the front is a matte black, the back is glossy, so you can have it however you want. That's going to depend on you. Alright guys, we decided to go with the matte black of top finish. As you guys can see here, very nice, and this is a 2-pack. So we're going to go ahead and put some stuff on it, show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, they're nice. Stands great. Nice, solid support. You definitely fit a lot of figures on these. Very cool.
Alright guys, as you can see, the shelf is awesome. So we still got to clear room to make room for more shelves. But I love it. Holds many different size items. It's great.